Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm Python is installed and you have admin rights if needed. Once ready, open PowerShell or Command Prompt now. This is faster than digging through menus. Run Python version to check if the interpreter is on path, and run where Python to see listed executables. If those commands return results, note the path shown. If nothing appears, make sure you're using an elevated shell and that multiple versions aren't confusing the output. Next, you'll locate the precise installation folder. In PowerShell, run get command Python select object expand property definition to reveal the executable path in CMD use where Python. If that points to a launcher, check %local app data %programs \Python or C \program files folders directly. Once done, open the executables directory to confirm Python. exe and DLLs. Make sure to look at Start menu. Finish by making the installation path permanent. Open System Advanced System Settings Environment Variables and add the folder with Python. exe to path, then restart terminals. If you use virtual environments, activate them and confirm the env's Python. exe location in the scripts folder. Once done, test with full path execution to be sure. Troubleshooting tip. If commands still fail, search for duplicate Python exe files and remove or rename the unwanted one, and then recheck path entries to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.